Milestones are a great way to track the development of your baby. At 2 months, you might notice that your baby does a social smile. So while you're talking to them or singing, they're smiling. Also, they stare a lot at your face. They're studying your face. And if your baby is crying, just hearing your voice, baby should start to calm down. Hi, Blessing. Hi. Hi. Yes. Why are you crying? Yes. Do you hear mommy's voice? Yeah. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah. For language, at 2 months, baby starts to discover their voice. So they start making other sounds other than just crying. And these sounds can be oohs or ahs or some gurgling noises. Yeah. Yes. Hi. Hello. Babies also hearing, and so they will startle or cry or seize movement from loud sounds. Hey, hey, hi, hi. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Number 3 is cognitive milestones, and babies are learning at this stage. Their brains are like sponge, so they're like soaking up everything around them and trying to figure out the world. They will track a toy if you hold it very close to them for a couple seconds, and they will also track mommy. Mhm. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Number 4, physical milestone is all about movements, which will prepare your little one to roll, crawl, and walk. They can hold their head up during tummy time, and you'll see them moving both arms, both legs, and opening their hands for a few seconds instead of always having them clutch. If you're concerned about your baby being behind, you can always talk to your pediatrician. But keep in mind that babies develop at their own pace, so you don't want to compare. Also, you can encourage your baby's development by playing with your baby with toys. You can also interact with them by talking to them and singing to them, giving them tummy time as well. And don't forget to give babies lots of cuddles and hugs because baby loves attention. Also, allow baby to sleep because sleep is very important for growth. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more. Bye.